Wait. You are Okrika. There are places called Okujagu.
Yes, Okujagu. There are places called Organ. Now all those people.
There are places that speak Igbo.
Yeah, that is the Organ.
What do you think about those places?
That is
they imposed that language.
That is what I'm telling you. During the trade, I did a lot of history because I came from a traditional family. Yes, I came from a royal family. When I came from a royal family. Now, when we get into the history of Okrika, when I get deeply through my grandfather, who was the primary ruler of that as a king. Now, he taught me a lot of things. When they came into that during the slave trade and all that, the lot of the Igbos that came there, they settled down there and they get married.
That gave them the language.
Yes, they gave them the language power of that thing. So they started, those people, when they give, they say, take. They settled down there and that place now belongs to them. That is how you.
Well, now, wait. As an Okrika man, I respect you. I respect your heritage. I respect your identity. But let me tell you something. The Igbo identity, the Igbo culture, the Igbo language, the Igbo spirituality, supersedes that which you're talking about.
Yeah.
Now, let me tell you something. What happened in Okrika wasn't there, let's say, it wasn't there 100 years ago. It wasn't there 100 years ago. The Okrika people, if you go around Okrika, you will find at least 75% of them having an Igbo mother.
And that's the same thing I was saying.
I'm coming. Is your mother Igbo?
My mom is not Igbo.
Right. But you married an Igbo?
Yes.
Now, 75%. Yeah? There is reason. There is why. Why it happened.
And that is the same reason I told you that. I said it in my early stage that because of the trade.
No, it's not the slave trade. It wasn't about the connection. Wait. This thing has gone.
Let me tell you. That is what I'm telling you. A lot of time when they come during for example now, let me use this instance now. For where my in-law is now. He has not got married and his mom has the capacity. I don't know, Okrika should just go to the Igbo land and say, I'm going to marry for you. So at that time, that is what they do. They will go and marry and come and give to their son.
Wait.
So what do you expect?
Why, as in, sorry, why the, let's use the word Southeast. We have to let's use the
let me use that word, the Eastern.
Southeast.
Because at Southeast, those are our neighboring people that we are doing business with. So when they find out that this woman's daughter, she dey come trade with her mama, she's good. It's just to go, my pikin normal. So those are the things they do.
It is beyond what you are saying. It is beyond this your theory. This is your theory. I mean, yes, it is beyond it. This one is what
you're seeing it from.
You are seeing it from the perspective. I want to marry. Oh, this one is good. Let me get. No, this thing is it is heritage. They say Abraham said, "Marry from your tribe," or what? I don't know. I'm not much of a Christian, but you understand, marry from your tribe. The Okrika man that went to Igbo State, to Abia State, I mean, he is going to his tribe. He is going to the place that he knows that he finds peace of mind, where he belongs originally. Now, let me tell you, like I said, this dichotomy, the Okrika man being a job, is barely how many years old? 50 years old. It is not 100 years old. In 100 years, these people are one people.
Sure.
Are you with me? One people, your Okrika man, the Ijo man. I mean, sorry, the Igbo man. You understand? Because the Ukujagu I asked you, whoever, the Amadiama.
No,
these people are Igbo.
What's the meaning of Amadiama? No, that's what I'm trying to tell you. That is what I was trying to say now. It was due to the settlement of business trades.
See, wait, there's something I want to tell you. There's something I want to tell you. what I want to tell you, what I want to teach you here is look beyond the Ijo, the Igbo dichotomy. Look towards our similarities. Look towards what unites us, what brings us together as a people, and begin to tell yourself the honest truth that we are one. That until we begin to realize that I need you and you need me, then we can begin to survive here. Are you with me? That we can begin to survive here. We are the people with the source. You and me, the Okrika man. You are now married to an Igbo woman. You are not having, I mean, your child will have a dual identity. You understand? That is where you belong. Don't see that maybe she did you a favor or you did her a favor. No, nobody did. You connected to your ancestral powers. You are an Igbo man. I'm not talking about Biafra.
No.
That is not it. No. Biafra is the political wing.
No. Biafra is the political.
It's a political thing.
It's something that they just want to dissect to say.
It's a political. No. When we come to that, we will deal with that. Yeah. But what we are talking about is people coming together.
The lineage.
The lineage. You understand? When we get it culturally, we can get it politically.
Yeah.
So, brother, do not see me as one Igbo man down the street.
No,
see me as one of you.
We are all brothers.
Whatever that I do, you do. Whatever that affects me, affects you. When you go to Lagos, when you go to Lagos, they will not ask you, are you Okrika? Are you Ijo? They will condemn you. Yeah. Like, I mean, the Yoruba will condemn you first for looking so Igbo.
I'm a salesman. Let me go into that way. If you are going to that way, I'm a salesman. I study microbiology. Well, I've not been practicing from after school days. I've not practiced. What I've been doing, I've been working with sales company. Okay. When I was opportunity after school, I was opportunity to work in the sales company. So during the sales line, they see all Igbos, whether you're from South, you're from here, you're from Bayelsa, you're from River State, you're from Akwa Ibom. They see us under the lineage of the Eastern. Yeah. That is how they see us. So when they see you as an East, that means you're an Igbo man. You're under the chain of the Igbo. So they don't want to know whether you're from Yoruba, or so you're from Akwa Ibom, or you're from Cross River, or you're from River State, or you're from Bayelsa Delta or anything. They see you as the East, which is
getting somewhere.
You understand? That is the Eastern region.
We're getting somewhere.
So that is it. So that one.
The only good thing is to do to yourself as my elders. Try and understand where you belong and of the truth.
Work with those people.
You are in the right track.
No.